Hey dude, I just got sponsored on one of my gaming channels for over $200 from Metal TV, and all I needed to do was just a 30-second ad read in a video. I'm not saying this to brag or anything, but to hopefully motivate you to keep pursuing your dreams and not give up, because with sponsorships, even small gaming channels like mine can make hundreds and thousands of dollars per month. And the thing is that people truly do underestimate how much YouTubers make from sponsorship deals. One of the YouTubers I used to work with called Lockdown Life, I used to edit his videos in sponsorship deals, and he was making over $10,000 per sponsored video. Like, all we needed to do was just film him, play on his phone, and I would edit it, and he would make over 10 grand, just like that. And I just want to tell you that you can do this as well. Now, I don't want to be a liar and be like, oh dude, anybody can make 10 grand per sponsorship and anybody can reach 3 million subscribers on YouTube. But what I can confidently tell you is that you can get to 1,000 subs and then to 10,000 subs if you are willing to improve your videos, your titles, and your thumbnails. And if you just don't quit, trust me, you can get to 1,000 subscribers. I know this because I started a new channel from zero and got it to 1,000 subs and got it monetized within 1 month, which actually you can learn how I did it for free in the link below. But dude, when I started making videos, they were horrible and they would get literally 0 views. And now I have over 230 million views on YouTube. I literally have multiple videos that have gotten over 1 million views, man. One of them I think has over like 70 million views or something. And now I can just grow YouTube channels with ease. And I'm literally making a living making YouTube videos and helping content creators make better videos. But trust me when I say this, I probably was worse than you at making videos when I first started. And I was able to make a living making YouTube videos because I was willing to make bad videos and just keep going. I didn't give up. And let me show you this. This was actually my first YouTube channel and it was just like a shitpost channel. My first video, still to this day, has only 14 views. I was uploading like random music production guys. They would get no views, but I was learning how to create content. Then I would make like entertainment style videos. I would make reaction videos. I would make vlog style videos. And what happened was my videos would actually eventually start getting views. So much so that I started like getting emails from YouTubers asking for my help with their content. And that's how I actually got into editing videos, making thumbnails, and helping people do strategies. And now my videos have over 230 million views. And because of this one skill that I had, that was making videos, I was able to live in London. I lived in Bali. I lived in Thailand. And I'm just saying all of this to give you hope, man, because I was literally where you are right now. And you need to understand that content creation and getting views is just a muscle that you need to train if you want to become a YouTuber one day. And if you're doubting yourself, let me tell you, dude, that is completely normal. But I promise you, if you just start and never give up, if you just keep going, that one video that blows up, it can completely change your life. And I believe in you, dude. Even if no one else does, know that I believe in you and I know that you can do it. And that's why I actually made this channel. I make videos to help you on your YouTube journey. And YouTube thinks that this video that's on the screen right now will be helpful to you on your journey. So click it right now and I'll see you there.